guys! Magluto po kami ngayon ng beef soup. Yes? My boy helping me how to cook soup. Beef soup. What is your name?
No, if it's from the Kung Fu. Kung Fu.
Kung Fu?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to cut this one potato, okay? But that's, just wait. We need to cut cubes like this. I show you how to cut the potato. Yes, like this. You slice like this and you make cubes. It means like this, okay? Small. Yeah, okay? And then, wait a minute. Yeah, okay, do it. Guys, tinutulungan akong magluto, but be careful your fingers. Magluto. It means cooking. We cook. Oh, very good. Show it to them. Okay, guys, look at him. Okay. You speak English. I cut potato.
Yeah, I cut
Potato. Yes. Okay. Put it down. Put it down here, please. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
One more time.
No. See?
And that.
Then